Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
As you can say, information minister near health minister in Penny for a year updates near there. Yatio Boase Honsem, your numbers to Kwana Costrum. Easy, can you abide by safety protocols? What you are taking, Mammy Tonka?
Kwame Medasipi.
Major Senso.
I am who I sound to pay Peace FM. You want to have become in Yazo. We are calling a man at an Adam Mount. Now faces when you're an animadom, knowing your Peace FM so bad. Then also come home. Kwame Medasipi.
Yes, that's it.
And run up a butcher may see a piano near the Adinamania Gina.
Oh,
no, when you preso.
Oh,
hey, and tell me you're doing when I chow. And son, I'm a call Mediano son on a pay a year. Yenya Balcon, Alhaji Alidu, or ye NDC, communicators no Balcon, and Nyamia Twin Safran Iri.
Oh,
yes, Nyamia Twin Safran.
Oh,
the Nyamipen Oye. And
Cremosum, Chirambre Musi super already.
But the Jahaza for Becas Alayaka, Chichin who near the Adinyaminkan, Yamipa, which I never quite a fanale, you know. Tina Quacujano. Alhaji Yaminkan. Kwame. Yari ya ka ho asem no enya dia I was say so yetoto na se ehu yie e wo Kwame bre so na nso so no ekwan ya befa so e dia aka sa asem no wa hwe ya no akotum nkyene ama ehu no ankasa no kura akoyi hu achen yade no Kwame so me say anxiety so unya psychologist, especially clinical psychologist, Dr. Mabel and Professor Safonom, Dr. Nyakomo Baha, they will tell you say fear itself no is a disease. And I come just
yeah.
And it me just see
and I was Arabia, a hunu crank to me my ancestral.
Many article here this year, make my catch article. Be careful. The same way, make my catch article. Be careful. Kwame ni me no. Are they the same or there's a distinction?
Obvious distinction.
Exactly. Niaminya botreka and say be careful no. And be careful no so near them. Only the approach a binom and the communicating no.
Talking about being careful, Alonzo Ewa Odoko say banks are serving clients. I don't see why the Electoral Commission can't serve the same Ghanaians, provided there are safety protocols.
Yes.
We are still being careful. Yeah, Tuaso.
Me that's it. Now Kwame, yari we say no. Ebia na ebinom ntena se emmo nkompo enhwe senia esi etie what you say ye di kan ena yare nti e de abusuamu titimu ba ebebre ma say de communal spirit no e wo ha che Europe nom eni America nom wo hu nia ntimi ntwam ena yare nti hia oni ayesi twam konchia no yare nti ena aban sikasem e kofom ankrankran sikafom sikasem e kofom amadwumaku ahodo akura no eyi binum adi so the to esa eba kum dia esi huhu ochen we nanso niema yare we etimi ye no esi etimi nyekota yare kro we se ya no yaw ene osum Kwame identity eba me yawo me ma me nyini ya mani free yi me nto me da sori mu da enso ekwabosu me mienu ni na I say I find it difficult to adjust edu Saturday
yeah because if you hu nia oyo
yes minim sasa na atik ana Kwame osum no oh ewo mu an matwam makofa ba bi asonda no no mayedi eyade a edi ha osum oha kra so no edi brain yare yi edi enwoma sua ensem so gro atopre eya hadwini yi pa yare kru ye no edi amamre Kwame be den so wakwa yi ase wakwa himfie se na menchia wo enso yare yi nti sinsanso a ede bani ade no yakase yaka ho asem a hadwin yi pa yare yi nti Kwame enne sabe so yetie mai mu yi no sabe obi kura abọ wese ya esenkwa ubenya sika enne obi ya kehen no obi ama no no odwane yare ba bia dia akoba no empempen so ade akuduru no na dia ehu kura kesensese nyame amamu a yare yi nti no na sa akwaje wonkwa na akwaje wonkwa eti yanyim wachinye se yare we sei enye hu na mmom no sabe son Bible kura ka se ye aten ewo ayim sa wo ye na wo ka na se de obesi aka wakotum nchene a eno kura no so eye west Kwame atiki ka se bi wo de Ghana to America me ne ya adwene o se ye tiri na ye se yeah, dear Lupen America. I think that was what you said.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yes, yeah, medical that trade Poise. Lamentation 3 on Walker was a senior radia. Oh, no more brought 18 hoda. But beyond aside that, so oh, man, penny you met dear with D, you know, Emra, his excellence, and another Kufuado. Nabedia Chief Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Dr. Insia Sarenom, Yura, a Yako Quadima men and information minister, no penny for a Kamunano, a Tuana Mompano. Nabro Chimpen in Fuono, one more air to us, listen. Come in sanity. Emra, Mitia gift Antipa, any other people who are then returned from other countries. Sagana, Sovereign Airport, and nearby Diagu Kwamu, and Shishaya National Security for any security agencies, police for immigration titulum near Soja for Yenua. And no so can be. Oh, yet I can say, Mr. God helps those who help themselves, but I do the Bible, almost John F. Kennedy, and or paraphrasing from Obi a speech. Say, Yame Buamo Buane home. So, what can a montua man penny to Yenua, and no na Buayania, Yenru America D. So, the accommodation is very important. Pa yipa. Commendation be saying, say, by ye, you know, all say, when him before we can say, a leader is a dealer in hope. Make I ye pass is in 1939 depression. Great depression. 1939 exactly. US. Sir Roosevelt was the president.
1929.
Roosevelt.
Roosevelt, yes. And Cassandra no, send ye been advocate say, I didn't know, and Monkikano. Sir, if he had gone that tangent, and could have dampened the spirit of the Americans. But a quenya or Kassa, you know, or you know, the paraphrase say, the only thing you have to fear is the fear itself. Etiquame, a whole year, young fan Kassam baby.
Fear is to be feared.
Communication, motivation. You're those who go for positive motivation. Even I'm catch you say, oh, be careful. And you want those who go for negative motivation. Be careful. Now normally no, I have no position tell you so negative. And you we besi. Now it works well. Baby, nimdia wa from. Baby, nimdia nkwa ni moni adi hu abetoso. No, and the yejuma. But on the whole, no negative. Kwame, I've written something on negative. Fear on fear. Fear can be destructive. Your positive side. You better hire be. Kwame say you hu akebe jina ko mama ka boy. Eti hu na ho. Say you hu e bet my boni bia. But be so present na ho. But beyond that, the fear of the Lord and also honum. Now we hear no free one more. Fear, destructive aspect of it, no. Our social, our economic, our political. A hunting and amaso for being Ghana for me, baby. What the who to no so no usiseno. But a who young far and kasa we say, I will commend our president. Our approach, even the tone, the choice of words, is full of inspiration, encouragement, or de mayeno. And no, a can't be. Odi ano to nchanya e duro mre mu oden nsuo osiyente so hiafonti enkania osiyhiafonti yento so odi ano to nchanya logistics kwame say ye PPEs emra UK for enyiresi abrochi ombedi ye so okra ka mu no na ha no ya set companies a wo mo ye domestic PPEs we have guns ye head covers nose mask sanitizers any de ka wo mampani anamontuo pa ni mpanifo ka ho na aboa ye papa Niasaya me deck a sense of Mampeni say the leadership no he accepts dissenting views, any technical advice. And untina sa lockdown was some amount for Keninano. If you are listening to the president after say obey lockdown, do can ya say on mine I have so many factors not taken into consideration. If you are watched, Oyi and Adiachi Ghana Medical Association call TUC for call no, they all ended up commending the president because not Ghana Medical Association, you know, if it were them alone, now some came lockdown no, and the TUC for so the medical and say, and you might go near the adeno, a baby no, a bakum di pampacha yadre no ankasa. So or combining nina with tact and sage, and was here taking decision we say. Na yadia kwame aboying but me no so because a lockdown on corner my argument has been said is that the only factor is one out of the lot.
Okay,
one out of the lot. So if you quickly say lockdown one out of the lot it no yantias ye and na de yatie no ase wi a kwame enya ma papa we say mu nyina echi no for TUC to come out to commend the president, traditional rulers to go for the buy so mampenia na montua watu no it sums the views of the people in the country. For chief imam ebe kasa abonabaso ahemfo ahodoɔ na Ghana for dodoɔ no ano kwame ɛnyɛ sɛ me MPP ni ntra but you step out there what me say Omampani already he is popular, he is respected, the rating na sa kosoro based on the leadership. Yeah, next slogan, common slogan. Abeto me say, yare ye ti say sa brem, ye hia kufu ado nyame afana ma. Enke be fa hin. And akwamodi no to nchen endorsement nso a COVID-19 fund. Atik emra sorry kura point mi nko enkramosumu timi nko ne akogege say offer training ade na ni nyina mu ye enwuma ku ahodo no it tells you said you are giving the president a vote of confidence. Say juma awo ye no ye ni so ya de pama yen na wa ya de papa e di aboaye kwame ade ba ko so na no Mampani kan say Thursday de betra no na make can be strengthening of the immune system and very key. Yadidie eyade a yenhwe ne ye ne yadidie a yeka ho asem no emra wudidie that is ebra wudidie ekwan ya wo fa so adidie ene ne wudidie no ne miensa ne kabo ma ne aduane o enti so onya aduane na papa kura na se wudidi no anhwe kwan fa so didie ene mra didie a eno so benya ho asem de atoso mienu ensu nom eyade eboa ye pa
sa no de bia ka kire yin o na ye be fa de
kwa me boso ba na majapa ye.
Ayo.
Consistency in communication is key. Asam no soka back no jai to one man. And no ya number propagandists no, they always succeed. Because Adolf Hitler, one of the theories of developing the cardinals of propaganda was a consistency. Oh dear kasam no nya no kra be no kra. So kwame enti ono so no juma. Oh, and no than kwame music also strengthens immune system. Oh dear you saw your music person so you know it. By one area you have been silent about that. Especially when you're shooting music and now you are open here to me relax wa. And also one of the things. Yeah, I'm back on exercise. Now I'll commend Ghanaians. Yeah, you know, a moment when you know exercise maybe. But no caution should be exercised. Kwame senya o here any bra. Exercise, any fasting. In Kauba you need the directions of a physician. Because age a can be. And the beer now what internal problem be? Is it kidney? Is it liver? Is it diabetes? And I said, yeah. And in exercise, no, also here. But on the whole, no, irrespective of doctors say, you know, aerobic exercise. So 10 times actually true, no, dear. Kwame, a normal. Ye knew about who do I ye, dear, no, ye more modern as ye besum, Yaminian sermono, when you see a yabru for into what ye do and yam my any and net ye ni pedia. But you are Trentino, you have become copycats. Near co and only Jenny says in pizza. I think talk out the run. Kwame one where you room. Now a lady be no cover from what I'm on the
one small. One small. Be one way.
Be that. Now, yes, Madame for be there. Madame for be.
Brother Nifroy.
Any toast. Brother toast.
Enti Kwame. So far. Anamontu ayetu no eye. Ba ni nyina no sabi mpanimfo bu bebi se obi babu amu aye ho aye no enti se wa waye ho. Education aye kro no. Kwame. So obi aka se nko ya. Na Peace FM nko no the whole Ghana I will commend you from news dynamic editor ya kase. Any Kwame program yi said the musi ye ne ade adwuma amo ye no obi ade o. Enti nipa ne bi asobrache. And at the end, so and no one tear. Now, fair Usiano, and Usia take time. And I near UK, so I'm lifting the same Subai and no Mafia Yabi, no Swatiagum no Mode. But it's a chileno, a bet me amenako. But so bar, a bemejapai. Name Momsia say, young from win away, when one shea, Yaria brebe noa, and the F. Pacrono, don't one, a you who and the quiet fast communicate. If it were not so, Kwame Adentina Subinia Arabia, a year terminal a year. Doctors, they have taken out of a year. Kwame back at your so ya look of Guana. Send and come the moon of Becassa, and I'm a buana. So what Kosabi, a dear Mammy Ma Bible instance, Bakunam fancy. So David Pana ko na himfie nembra okokum what is saying Uriah kofa Beshiba na Nathan ekwa himfie okoya wonana adwame a wabon de beto wo Kwame Proverbs 13:11 say obadwen ma na ji okra emfa gidigidi na kasem also obadwen ma na ji okra Okoye on ne kasa ye in a proverbial way or the illustrations, analogies, before say David ye anu ye anybody hono, he had already been indicted. A yenyansa kasa bebia se bedwam bebia no yemfa on hye emfa nkan enhye nipa. Enite ya botra ne enkoso nkasa. Na emom dodo no anso yenda ache ne yenhye bre no e wo Ghana fo nyina nsem ya maame no adwadifo mu ntini yete baabie yenim se ne yesitie sabe enne no uni ho a obi hwe oba enti muntie na munye se ne yesitie mebo driver fo ne car owners nso abaso se nne wo matimati o mampani no madwene Ghana ho nti no enne no car ye tram enan ya osimo tram miensa de tram miensa osimo tram mienu wo musika asem so ate wo mo so bo modern but ya aka ne se driver no animate no mo so mo no smart ne bi mami and I know Father Dixon yadi oha many je ho papa yeah ho no na ma de bia pepa mi se e sanitizer ni bi enti mi wura na security ndi no so wura na Father Dixon pia no se ya we de mi nua no ba we de amfom so and I commend that se yen nyina na ye som nkakra na ye adwene se ye amna na da yanim na amna na ye da yanim no samhwa mi na ye mi nkotomu a kwa mi wuntom se di sa adwene hye ntrimu a amna no ne sen na ye se akoduru sei wachina why na oba betos emu why de adini beka ho ene enhyehyɛ ya omampani ene animdifo de agukwa mu no menso medi akire na menso yankobo medi anka ho sɛ obenti anaso mesi makonya bi ye de saa dire no ɛhyɛ yadwene mu a ɛbɛboa yin finally kwame yare wo yi aba no empa ye ne ebode but ebe kakra bi no ebe ye sɛ tipaye ebe ye sɛ malaria eniti yenye enhyehyɛ ye yie na ye mmompa ye nso so mpampanim fo nso so atitrom wo ye mai mu a wo mu penro adi aba no na mbom no yenya nso so se obi nya yare ni bia na efiri se sebe wono wonka nipa ho enne na wo no ebi a wo ye kwa mi nipa dodo a wo nam kromu a ebinom na atwitwa o mun sa twitwa no na wo mo tese ye ni a wo da ko me kwa ba na bi accident bi ko si ye
okay mami comment onim Carlos
Peace FM 104.3 good to meet